Welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your spacebar and enter keys not working properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. It's a simple fix, so let's get right into it. First, open the search menu and type Control Panel. When it pops up, hit Enter. Make sure it's in Category View. Click Ease of Access, then Ease of Access Center. Scroll down to make the keyboard easier to use and click it. Check if Turn on Sticky Keys or Filter Keys are enabled. If they are, uncheck both boxes, hit Apply, then OK. Test your keys, this might solve it right away. If not, let's try another fix. Open the Device Manager and expand Keyboards. Right-click your keyboard and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Then let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and select the standard PS2 keyboard driver. Click Next and close out. Restart your PC to apply the changes. Fingers crossed that should fix it. Still stuck? Let's check for updates. Search Windows Update in the search bar, open it, and click Check for Updates. Go to Advanced Options, scroll to Additional Options, and select Optional Updates. If there are any keyboard-related updates, install them, and that's the last step to try. That's it, folks. If this got your keyboard working, hit the like button, share it with friends, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.